Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about hotspot name password setting. In this video guys we will talk about how to change hotspot name in vivo phone. As you want to change your hotspot name in vivo phone, so as you can change in this video guys, I will show you how to change it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting and guys click on network and internet. Guys click on hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot, hotspot name, tap here and guys change hotspot name. You can set guys your name also guys. Example guys, I am taking this mobile vivo. Now guys you can set your name with your mobile name vivo monu. So you can see hotspot name has changed. So I hope friends you have understood how to use hotspot name setting and guys how to change it. So I think friends you have understood. So guys, now bye bye guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel.